but the conditions are just gonna get very bad. So I'll see you all outside. Right now I'm checking the road conditions. See if anything is, see how there's traffic moving. And I cannot see the road. Wow. Anyway, I am gonna get back inside. It is not even to be safe out here. If you can see, it is snowing here. We could possibly get a foot of snow between tonight and tomorrow. And I have an eye appointment for glasses tomorrow. So, going to be a little crazy tonight. Just hope everybody's safe. And this is the most snow we're having almost all winter. So, just a little update on what's going on. And I will talk you all into the next vlog, and thank you for tuning in, and see you all later.